Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Welcome to Cooking with Rivera. I'm your host, not Rivera. So, yeah. And so, today we're going to be making empanadas. They're Mexican. Don't know much about them. They're good. Oh, dear sweet Jesus, please don't let me make this. Did I do it? I did it! Yay! Okay. It doesn't smell like anything. What the heck? Okay. We are not in the metric system, so... Oh. And I spilled some on the floor. Great. Oh, that's not enough. Dang it! That's still not enough! Wait. Oh my lord. And we hit 1 cup. Bottoms up. Okay, so there's 1. I would use measuring cups, but I couldn't find any measuring cups. God, that was the most confusing sentence I think I've ever heard in my entire life. Oh. That is, like, more than plenty. Holy aguacate. And that is 6. Didn't even make it. Okay. Jeepers. I'm probably gonna need to get out my nice mixer thing. Don't even know what it's called. Don't really care what it's called. Let's... My life is just a mess. Oh my lord. Oh. Oh lord. Where in the world? Just kidding. Didn't mean to yell, bro. Louie? God dang it. Daisy, don't lick that. It's gonna destroy your insides. Oh my. Louie? You're a cat. You shouldn't be eating flowers, idiot. Oh my God. I might have to make a phone call.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, big man?
Call your dad.
Well, I'm pretty sure Dad doesn't know where the big mixer is. Oh, there it is.
I am the Hulk.
This is my ombre. The mixer. This is the most complicated mixer Oh. That's why. No. Oh. Woo! Game 1. Score 1 for Brody. Score 0 for the stupid little mixer. Jeepers creepers. Look at all those peepers. Tonight is bottoms up. Delicious. Isn't it beautiful? No, I'm kidding. It sucks. Okay. So, my camera battery died, so I had to put the rest of the eggs in, but I just got done mixing, and honestly, it looks unbelievably amazing. I thought it was going to turn out like crap. But holy, it's like Play-Doh almost. Finished the dough and everything. I have my powdered sugar, or my brown sugar right here. And my pineapple right here. And so now I'm going to have to put plastic wrap, whatever it's called, over the empanada dough. There we go. I don't know if this will fit around the ball. I hope to the Lord it does. But these are some big balls. I have to place those in the fridge. And I'll come back to you guys in 30 minutes when I'm done. So we're back. Better than ever. Our camera died like 3 times. It was phenomenal. So now we are going to get started with the filling. A teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup of cold water, and 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Yeah. This one. So 2 cups. Chopped fresh pineapple. Oh, this is brand new too. So you know it's good. Cinnamon challenge. Oh my god! This is Ernesto de la Cruz! Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Those tomatoes over the tacos I'm making later, you know, they're gonna be bombdiggity.com. So that's all the stuff that we need. So now I have to put all of this. Oh, there's my timer. The dough is done. These are about to be the best empanadas y'all have ever had. Forget you. Just kidding. So this is what the dough turned out to be. We had to wrap it in plastic just because that's what the recipe called for.
And that's the tea, sis.
Okay, so now we preheated the oven. As you know, it's getting hot in here. So it's our finished product right here. We're about to put them in for 30 minutes or until they're golden brown, and I gotta say, today was pretty successful. Sure didn't make me happy. Okay, here we go. The final process. Putting them in the oven. And that's how you make empanadas. Thanks for watching. Adios. Adios, my Cinco de Drinko muchachos. Just kidding, Cinco de Mayo. Haha. Yeah, but thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in class. Peace.